Hey divas, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've compiled gorgeous, beautiful, colorful jungle braids for my beautiful divas out there. Summer is coming, so you need to rock 8 different types of braid. Different braids, different from the one you usually wear. So this braids, you will definitely like it. Comes in different style, length, color. Wow, beautiful. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share. Braiding is an evolving process. Each year we see new style being introduced by our stylish and creative stylists out there. So butterfly braids is also known as the jungle braid or knotless passion braid has been in vogue for of recent. So it's more like a new protective hairstyle that is being reinvented by creative stylists. Yes, and something I love so much about this braid is sometimes the color combinations that people use, and there are different ways different stylists are able to braid their jungle braid. Yeah, but jungle braid is not really a braid that I would want to do very soon. Why? Because I don't really like my braid, so I don't like my braid when the volume is just too much. But when I see jungle braids on beautiful divas, I kind of admire the braids, most especially when they use the gold color, sometimes the blue color, sometimes the pink or the wine color is always beautiful. But this braid can be so heavy because it involves lots of attachment, and it kind of makes it look so bulky. Unlike the knotless braids that are currently on trend, to me jungle braids do not really give out a very neat look. Yeah, they kind of look they are beautiful, but I call it beautifully messy because they have these small popped out parts of the hair. Yeah, so there are a lot of stylists. There are different ways they kind of bring out the popped out parts. Some they kind of bring much of it, like this one you see right now, this gold, they brought the puff out part, a lot of it. Why this particular white gray you see, the puff out part wasn't really much. So it all depends on the stylist and how they are being creative in making this jungle braids. But left to me, it's beautiful. If it's something you like to go for, yeah, you can try it. Personally, I may have to try it, but I have to make sure that the stylist that is going to do it for me have done it before and actually look beautiful. Like this one you see now, this is the jungle braid. So the perfect part is kind of like massive. I kind of make the braids looking so messy, beautifully messy. Let's just put it that way. Yes, so let's put it that way. And I think I prefer it when it's when the braid is not jumbo braids, like when the strands are smaller, so it makes out the perfect part not looking too big and over messy. Like this orange braid color is actually beautiful, and the stylist was able to make the perfect part not too obvious. So I think I prefer it when the perfect part is not really too obvious, so it makes it a bit neater, not so messy, and kind of reduce the volume. Yes guys, so this brings me to the point where I urge you all to subscribe to my channel. Yes, don't forget this video is for educational purpose. It's to give you styles ideas for you to rock the special occasion, because there's always a special occasion you want to look good, feel good. Most times looking good is good business. And when you're wearing that perfect braid, that beautiful neat hair, you kind of have the self-confidence in you, and you will be happy within yourself that you are looking beautiful. Yes guys, so I'm gonna see you in my next video. And also don't forget to like this video, share share this video. Welcome back, guys. I hope you love this video. If you love it, I need your thumbs up. Your thumbs up is very, very important to me, as much as I would want you to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I have a whole lot of videos in my channel. You can check out my playlist for a lot of videos. I have product reviews, skincare product review, and also I have hair review products, and also I have a bit of my natural hair journey. My hair is growing like seriously, so you need to just follow up on that. Yes, check out my video on that, and also how to curl your hair irrespective of your hair texture. Even if you have the 4C, 4B, whatever hair texture you have, there are different techniques for you to curl your hair. So guys, thank you for watching to this stage, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye bye.